Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, I am going to read off my laptop screen the text of oath for people who are given citizenship by United States of America. It, for example, says, I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state or sovereignty of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic. Dear viewers, yesterday I was telling you that the NRIs or non-resident Indians had played a very meaningful role in the success of BJP in the 2014 general elections. These people are again trying their level best to help BJP retain power. Here I must say one thing, that the entire 5-year tenure of Narendra Modi or BJP has been strongly characterized or successfully characterized by the BJP's policy of majority is priority. Hence, the marginalization of Muslims, Sikhs, Christians and others in India. The NRIs, for whatever reason, have been trying to turn India into Nazi Germany or Hitler's Germany or Mussolini's Italy of first half of the 20th century. Here I would like to raise a question. Doesn't the approach of NRIs that has manifested itself in the success of BJP or Narendra Modi in India and the policies that the BJP has so far pursued in order to retain power or with a view to retaining power, militate against the very ideas that the US has been espousing throughout. These include freedom, liberty, human rights, social and economic justice, and last but not the least, Jeffersonian democracy. I'll go back to the remaining part of the oath for citizenship. It also says that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by the law, and that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Here I have a question. What will be the role of US-based Indian NRIs in the event of a war between United States of America and India? Thank you very much. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad. من يا أبو سرفراز أحمد يا ربوتي بجزيتا كراچي باكستان. أنا سرفراز أحمد نائب رئيس التحرير في جريدة كراچي باكستان. باكستان زندہ باد.